Welcome to the magical world of bioluminescent animals. In this chapter, we explore the fascinating world of bioluminescent creatures. From the glowing jellyfish in the deep sea to the fireflies lighting up the night sky, these animals have evolved to produce light in mesmerizing ways. Let's dive into the enchanting, mystical, and awe-inspiring world of bioluminescence. From the familiar firefly flickering in a summer meadow to the otherworldly anglerfish lurking in the abyssal depths. Each encounter will illuminate the diverse and ingenious ways that animals have harnessed the power of light for survival, communication, and even deception. As twilight descends, a familiar spectacle emerges in meadows and forests across the globe, the enchanting dance of fireflies. These tiny beetles, members of the Lampyridae family, illuminate the night with their mesmerizing flashes. But these twinkling lights are not merely a spectacle for our enjoyment, they are a sophisticated language of love. Male fireflies signal their availability with specific patterns of flashes, hoping to attract a receptive female. However, the world of fireflies is not always so romantic. Some cunning females mimic the flash patterns of other firefly species, luring unsuspecting males closer. Their intentions are far from amorous. These femme fatales have a taste for unsuspecting suitors. The firefly's glow is created by a chemical reaction within their abdomen, where a substance called luciferin combines with oxygen in the presence of an enzyme called luciferase. This reaction releases energy in the form of light, producing the characteristic glow. Next time you find yourself captivated by a firefly's dance, remember that you're witnessing a complex interplay of survival, seduction, and even a touch of danger. From the playful fireflies in our backyards to the whimsical glowworms in caves, these small animals use light to communicate and attract mates. Join us as we explore their playful, light, and whimsical world. Masters of light in the deep. In the deep ocean, bioluminescent animals have mastered the art of light. From the mysterious anglerfish with its glowing lure to the deep-sea shrimp that produces light to escape predators, these creatures use bioluminescence for survival. Let's delve into their deep, mysterious and underwater world. Some species, like the bobtail squid, cultivate colonies of bioluminescent bacteria within their bodies. These symbiotic bacteria emit a soft ventral glow that camouflages the squid against the moonlit surface, making them practically invisible to predators lurking below. Other squid, like the deep-sea vampire squid, employ bioluminescence as a defense mechanism. When threatened, they release a cloud of glowing particles into the water, creating a dazzling distraction that allows them to escape. The firefly squid, a captivating inhabitant of Japanese waters, puts on a spectacular light show during its mating season. Thousands of tiny photophores, light-producing organs, cover their bodies, creating a mesmerizing display that illuminates the dark depths. Drifting through the ocean depths like pulsating otherworldly lanterns, jellyfish are perhaps the most iconic of all bioluminescent creatures. Over half of all jellyfish species possess the ability to produce light, utilizing it primarily for defense. Some jellyfish, like the comb jellies, create a dazzling spectacle with rows of cilia that diffract light as they move, producing a shimmering rainbow-like effect. This mesmerizing display serves to startle predators and deter attack. Other species, such as the crystal jelly, employ bioluminescence as a burglar alarm. When threatened, they release a bright flash of light, illuminating their attacker and attracting the attention of larger predators, a risky strategy that often pays off. Siphonophores, colonial jellyfish that can stretch for meters, use bioluminescence to lure prey. These elongated creatures dangle glowing tentacles like fishing lines, attracting small organisms that mistake the light for a potential meal. The ocean depths are a constant battleground, and jellyfish have evolved a stunning array of bioluminescent adaptations to survive and thrive in this challenging environment. Some bioluminescent animals use their light as a defense mechanism. From the ethereal comb jellies that produce a rainbow of colors to the tranquil glow of certain squid species, these creatures use light to confuse and deter predators, discover their ethereal, tranquil, and flowing beauty. Luring prey in the abyss. In the dark depths of the ocean, some bioluminescent animals use light to lure prey. The eerie glow of the anglerfish's lure is a perfect example. Imagine, if you will, a fish with a cavernous mouth filled with razor-sharp teeth, its body a mottled tapestry of blacks and browns perfectly adapted to blend into the inky blackness. But the anglerfish's most striking feature is its fishing rod, a modified dorsal fin that dangles above its head. At the end of this fleshy appendage glows a bioluminescent lure, a beacon of false hope in the otherwise desolate depths. Smaller fish, drawn to the light, venture too close and find themselves ensnared in the anglerfish's gaping maw. The lure's glow is produced by symbiotic bacteria that live within the anglerfish's esker, the bulbous tip of the fishing rod. This mutually beneficial relationship provides the anglerfish with a constant source of light, while their bacteria receive a steady supply of nutrients and a safe haven. The suspenseful flashes of the deep-sea dragonfish are another example of bioluminescent lures in the abyss. Explore their eerie, suspenseful and deep world, showcasing the extraordinary lengths life will go to survive in even the most challenging environments. Illuminating the twilight zone. The twilight zone of the ocean is home to many bioluminescent creatures. From the serene glow of the lanternfish to the ambient light of the hatchetfish, these animals use bioluminescence to navigate and find food. Their vast schools stretch for miles through the ocean depths. Each lanternfish possesses rows of photophores, light-producing organs, along its sides and belly. These photophores emit a soft blue-green light, creating a mesmerizing underwater light show. But the lanternfish's luminescence is not merely decorative, it plays a crucial role in their survival. The pattern and intensity of their light vary between species, allowing them to recognize and communicate with potential mates in the vastness of the ocean. Some scientists believe that lanternfish use their light to confuse predators, disrupting their perception of distance and movement. As we observe these shimmering schools, we're reminded that even in the depths of the ocean, life finds a way to thrive, utilizing the power of light to communicate, navigate, and survive. Let's illuminate their serene, ambient, and twilight world. A flash of light in the rainforest. Bioluminescence is not limited to the ocean. In the rainforest, vibrant fireflies and dynamic glowworms light up the forest floor. Here, amongst the verdant foliage, we encounter another fascinating group of bioluminescent creatures, click beetles. Unlike their firefly cousins, whose light is primarily used for courtship, click beetles employ bioluminescence for both defense and predation. When threatened, these beetles activate two large, oval-shaped light organs located on their thorax, producing a bright greenish-yellow glow. This startling display serves to deter predators, giving the beetle a chance to escape. Some species of click beetles even possess a third light organ on their abdomen, which they use to illuminate the forest floor while searching for prey. The larvae of click beetles, known as wireworms, also possess the ability to produce light. These subterranean dwellers use their bioluminescence to attract insects and other small invertebrates, which they then ambush and devour. The click beetle's dual use of bioluminescence highlights the versatility of this remarkable adaptation, showcasing its effectiveness in both defense and offense. Discover their vibrant, dynamic and forest sounds world. Our journey takes us now to the forest floor, a damp and shadowy realm teeming with invertebrates. Here, amongst the decaying leaves and fallen logs, we encounter a creature whose unassuming appearance belies a deadly secret, the Matixia millipede. Unlike most millipedes, which are drab and inconspicuous, the Matixia species stands out with its bioluminescent glow. These nocturnal creatures, found in the woodlands of California, emit a soft ethereal light from their exoskeleton, illuminating their path through the undergrowth. But the Matixia's glow serves a more sinister purpose. These millipedes produce cyanide, a potent poison, as a defense mechanism. Their bioluminescence serves as a warning to predators, advertising their toxicity and deterring attack. Studies have shown that nocturnal predators such as mice and shrews are less likely to attack glowing Matixia millipedes than their non-luminescent counterparts. This suggests that the millipede's bioluminescence has evolved as an effective anti-predator adaptation. The Matixia millipede serves as a reminder that even the smallest and seemingly insignificant creatures can possess extraordinary adaptations, highlighting the incredible diversity of life on Earth. On the forest floor, bioluminescent fungi and insects create a subtle glow. These earthy and mysterious creatures use light to attract mates and deter predators. Explore their subtle, earthy, and mysterious world. We return now to the ocean depth, where a dazzling display of bioluminescence awaits us. In the cold, dark waters of the abyssal plain, we encounter a creature whose delicate beauty belies its harsh surroundings, the sea snail. Some deep-sea creatures have bioluminescent shells. These snails possess specialized cells within their bodies that produce a bright blue-green light. This light is channeled through their translucent shells, creating a mesmerizing spectacle that illuminates the surrounding water. The delicate glow of the deep-sea snail and the enchanting light of the bioluminescent clam are truly mesmerizing. Scientists believe that this bioluminescent display serves to startle and deter predators, giving the snail a chance to escape. Some species of sea snails even use their bioluminescence for communication. By flashing their lights in specific patterns, they can attract mates or signal their location to other members of their species. Discover their delicate, enchanting, and deep-sea world, showcasing the incredible diversity of life that thrives in even the most challenging environments. Illuminating the night's canvas. Bioluminescent animals light up the night. From the magical glow of the fireflies to the serene light of the bioluminescent plankton, these creatures create a nighttime spectacle. Our journey takes us now to a world of miniature enchantment where tiny points of light illuminate the darkness. We enter the realm of glowworms, a diverse group of insects that captivate with their mesmerizing displays. It's important to note that the term glowworm encompasses a variety of bioluminescent creatures, each with its own unique story to tell. In Europe, the term refers to the wingless females of certain firefly species who emit a steady glow to attract mates. In the Americas, glowworm often refers to the larvae of the Fungodidae family, commonly known as railroad worms. These fascinating creatures possess rows of light organs along their bodies, resembling the illuminated windows of a passing train. And in Australia and New Zealand, the title of glowworm belongs to the larvae of fungus gnats, specifically those of the genus Arachnocampa. These tiny creatures suspend themselves from cave ceilings, creating breathtaking displays of bioluminescent beauty. Whether it's the alluring glow of a female firefly, the mesmerizing patterns of a railroad worm, or the celestial tapestry woven by cave-dwelling gnats, glowworms remind us that magic can be found in even the smallest corners of our planet. Let's illuminate their magical, serene, and nighttime world. The ocean is home to many bioluminescent spectacles. From the sparkling light of the bioluminescent algae to the wondrous glow of the deep-sea jellyfish, these creatures create an oceanic light show. Here, under the cover of darkness, we witness the mesmerizing glow of dinoflagellates, microscopic organisms that illuminate the water with their ethereal light. These single-celled algae, often referred to as fire algae, possess the remarkable ability to produce light through a chemical reaction within their bodies. When disturbed by waves, currents, or even passing boats, dinoflagellates erupt in a symphony of sparkling light. This bioluminescent display, while captivating to observe, serves a vital purpose for these tiny organisms. Scientists believe that the sudden burst of light startles predators, giving the dinoflagellates a chance to escape. In some cases, the bioluminescence can even attract larger predators, which prey on the creatures that feed on dinoflagellates, a clever defense mechanism known as burglar alarm bioluminescence. As we witness the ocean surface shimmer and sparkle with the light of countless dinoflagellates, we're reminded of the interconnectedness of life on Earth and the awe-inspiring beauty that can arise from even the smallest of creatures. Discover their sparkling, wondrous, and ocean waves world. Thank you for joining us on this illuminating journey through the world of bioluminescent animals. Bioluminescence is a natural wonder that illuminates our world. From the tiniest firefly to the massive schools of dinoflagellates, nature's ability to produce light never ceases to amaze. We've witnessed how bioluminescence serves a myriad of purposes, from attracting mates and luring prey to deterring predators and even communicating in the darkness. Each species has evolved its own unique way of harnessing this magical phenomenon, showcasing the incredible diversity and ingenuity of life on Earth. As we've seen, the world of bioluminescence is full of wonder, beauty, and even a touch of mystery. So next time you find yourself under a starlit sky, remember the countless creatures that illuminate the darkness with their own internal light, a testament to the boundless creativity of the natural world. From the reflective glow of the bioluminescent fungi to the uplifting light of the fireflies, these creatures remind us of the beauty of nature. Nature's wonders never cease to amaze.